Hey there, I'm Casey Corbin. I am the latte drinking paint skin artist. So good. Working on a shelf here. Just wanted to show you a few things as far as what paint skin can do. You see this very nicely drawn paint skin that my wife did. Well, it's already coming off of this shelf, so I'm just gonna see what I can do to salvage this piece. Bet you didn't know you could do this. Just kind of break it out. There you go. It's gotta come up here. Oops. Got a loops there. It's okay. Up here. All the way to the top. Coming forward. And now we got a paint skin of already made art. What can we do with this, you wonder? Let's find out. And we're back. And so what you can do is take this, for example, this really ugly furniture. It's kind of an off green in my daughter's pink room. And you know, these would be some really nice coordinating colors to it. So what you do is you just mist it down with a little bit of water, and now you take an appropriate item for being able to smash it down like this. And you just squish it out like this. You go down here, soft, little gentle, little peaceful smashings. And I've always thought that this chair was really boring too. So we'll just, there we go. There. Wow. And that's what a paint skin artist does, and it takes old things that would be just discarded, like this needs to be discarded, and makes it beautiful. Thanks for joining me.
What's that? Dad, what did you do? How did you get it that smooth anyway?
You didn't.
That's my favorite stuffed animal, Dad.